Okay, let's take a look at the inside of my microwave. I promise you it's a hot mess right now. I accidentally heated up some pasta sauce without putting a lid or a napkin on top, and this little explosion happened. So now we'll clean it up. I'm going to use about half a cup of this cleaning vinegar just because it's the only one I had around, but I'm sure regular white vinegar should work just fine. So I'm going to I put half a cup of that into a little plastic Tupperware with maybe about 3 cups of regular tap water. We'll pop that right into the center of the microwave. And I'm gonna put 10 minutes on that if I can manage to do that. And now we'll just let it do its thing. Okay, so after the time on that runs out, I'm just gonna leave it in there, sort of marinating in its own little vinegar juices, probably like 20 minutes. And then I'll just come back and I'll wipe it down, take the glass out, wash that separately, and then you'll see it's gonna sparkle. All right, time's almost up, and you can see it's nice and steamy in there, just how I like it. Okay, I'm not well. Don't pay attention to me. And we'll be back. Okay, 20 minutes are up. Let's see what's happening. And you don't need this vinegar anymore. You can just toss it out. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in there with a regular sponge. Take out my glasswares, careful because it will be hot. I'm just going to set this aside. And here we go. Look at that, it's just coming right off. Now, because I'm crazy, I'm going to go into the little corners with a toothpick. See if I can't get the rest of this jazz out. Take a look at the finished result. I think that's not too shabby at all for a 15-year-old microwave. All set.